Alright, so in the last video we talked about hibiscus and it being really soapy, way soapier than soapwood, and soapwood of course got its name because it's soapy. And then somebody commented and asked, well, what about lady's fingers, okra? Can we actually use that as well? And I said, well, I'll go and pick some and I'll find out for you and let you know. So that's what I'm doing now. Plus we're going to talk about what we're going to be doing in the next few months, which direction we're going to be going. We're still going to do gardening videos, don't worry. But first, let me just show you this. How soapy this stuff is. I don't know if you can see it now. It's hard to show on camera. Let me just back off there a bit. There, let's get some more soapiness out of there. There we go. So I would estimate it's twice as soapy actually as even, I mean it's fantastic. You can actually wash your hands with it, just like hibiscus. I would say hollyhock would work as well. Of course marshmallow, malve, all those kind of things, no problem whatsoever. Now I'm going to just showcase an axe that we just recently did, and this is going to be in the next video. High carbon steel from Leaf Spring. We forge welded it, an insert, high carbon steel insert in there. And this thing is hard. I could actually basically just chop down a standing dead, and there was a tree on the path and I just went through that no problem, because of course the edge is really, it's very hard steel. It's going to last 120 years and it's way better than these kind of cast iron axes that you can buy everywhere. You know, made in America, made in China, made in India, made in Germany. All of these axes nowadays are not as good as they should be. So, what else do I need to say? So, the direction of the channel is basically going to be like this. We are going to, like the last 2 months, I've just left the garden to its own devices. And now I have lots of weeds, which are going to be my mulch. So that's not all bad. But if you love something, even if you love something, after 4 years of non-stop, I mean, you must remember, this Kerala climate is non-stop. You can grow stuff all year round, and we did. And I was just tired, I needed a break. So I took 2 months off, and so basically, that's basically why I haven't made any videos. I'm also going to make a post vice very soon. And basically I needed to tool up and gain experience in order to make the things that I really want to make, which are gardening tools, beekeeping tools. And my channel is all about self-sufficiency. So can I grow my own seeds? Can I grow my own food? Can I make my own honey? Can I make my own tools? So that's basically the direction of this channel. It's all about self-sufficiency. And whilst working with nature while we do it. So that's the idea. So I hope you're okay with that. I know you wanted to probably see more gardening videos and beekeeping videos. Incidentally, you can see all the weeds here. Can you see our crops over there? I still got to harvest those, but it's covered in weeds, which is not a bad thing. Usually they're fine with that. Let me just quickly show you this. Finally we've got our bees again. So it just paid to wait. These bait hives are really great. This Apis cerana, and you can see they're going in and out of that hive there. And I got a second one in case we catch another one. But at some stage I'll do an artificial swarm. So that concludes the video. Just wanted to update you, and basically, you know, I hope you don't mind me making some more blacksmithing videos now in the next few weeks. I am getting on top of the garden again, the farm actually, it's a big area. So just bear with me, okay? So thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.